Let us sing together, you and me, with this song. Happy, happy birthday from your heart, come true love. We really are sent from above. With all the good things, food and toys, you have brought us great joy. So this day we sing you a happy birthday from your heart, come true love. We really are sent from above. With all the good things, food and toys, you have brought us great joy. So this day we sing you a happy
Superheroes float.
Supergirl.
There you go, the Supergirls. Super women.
All right.
Power girls. And riding on. Happy birthday, Ate Mai. May the Father, through the appointed Son, continue to bless you. And be strong always for the Father's glory. Happy birthday. Ate Mylene, more birthdays to come and Father bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Mylene. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Amahan dahil isa ka sa ginamit niya para sa mga gawain dito sa Japan. Stay loyal and obedient in doing the Father's will. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. And may the Father bless you more. We love you. Happy birthday, Ate Mylene. Salamat sa lahat. Yun, sa lahat. Pagkamit niya bilang isang cute na coordinator namin. First of all, maraming salamat sa ate dahil yan patuloy mo dinidisiplina at yung kinukorek pag minsan nagkakamali kami. Salamat din sa ate dahil yun nandiyan ka palagi pag tuwing may katanungan kami, pag tuwing may problema kami. Alam namin na malalapitan ka namin. First of all, at yun din, pasensya ka na pwede ko minsan pasaway kami at gulong-guloy. Yun din, sana na lang mahaba pasensya mo sa amin dahil yan naman naman na ulit kami. At yun lang din, happy birthday din, more height, more blessings. At yan, alam ko naman na patuloy kang pagpapalain ng Ama dahil yan, dahil kitang-kita naman na nagsasacrifice ka din. Ginagamit mo talaga yung sarili mo para sa Ama. At yan din, I hope na sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo. Yan, patuloy lang sa paggamit sa Ama. Yan din, happy birthday ulit, Father bless. We love you.
Hi, welcome to our class. Happy birthday, Timay. May the Father bless you. And ihatag niya ang tanan desire sa imong heart. I-bless pa kaniya more, furthermore pa kaniyang gamiton. Happy birthday, Usab Timay. Enjoy your day and may the Father bless you more. Nagapasalamat mi sa Amahan kay nag-orchestrate sa imong kinabuhi ug nagpagamit ka sa iyaha. As our coordinator diri sa KRC of Saitama, di lang ka na mo coordinator kundi nahimot pug ka na mo supporter. Murag-barang. Grabe ka ka-supportive. Mura ka na mama. Tagan yung kagusog sa Amahan. Kung tanan na kailangan nimo para mapildi nimo imong kalaban na scoliosis. Salamat sa Amahan pod Timay kay nakakadara permi nahimo kang katimbang ni pastor. Maskin 30 kilos lang ka.
Spiritually.
May tulog mo na lang.
yung beatbox mo.
Yung parang
Sana all.
And kabalo ko, te, maski sa kadalaon sa Amahan.
Your height is fixed. Joke na nito mag-joke sa imong height. Kay birthday ni mo karon exempted ka. So enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Usab. Father bless.
Yung may tulog mo na lang.
yung beatbox mo.
Yung parang sa...
Happy birthday, Ate Mylene!
May the Father bless you always and more birthdays to come.
Yay! Bye! Happy birthday, Ate Mylene! Happy birthday! May the Almighty Father continue to use you, Ate Mylene. I love you!
I love you too.
Happy birthday, Timay! May the Almighty Father bless you.
No.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Mylene.
The Father bless you more.
More birthdays to come. We love you.
Pastor!
Hello, Te. Happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat. Sa mga long suffering. Sa pagiging ate mo sa aming mga young keepers. And di mo kami pinabayaan kahit anong mangyari. Huwag lang kami punta sa masama. Basta yun lang, Ate. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Ate
Happy birthday, Ate Mylene.
Father bless you.
Father bless you more and more birthdays to come. Wish you all the best.
Same.
Hi, Mai. Happy birthday. Father bless you more.
Hello, Sister Mylene. Happy birthday. I wish ko po sa iyo na patuloy kang bigyan ng Ama ng sigla ng iyong espiritu, pagpalain ka saan ka pumaroon at ang kalakasan ng pagsunod mo sa kanyang kalooban ay manatiling matatag at maging malakas at marami ka pang maakay na kaluluwa sa kanyang harapan at itataas ka namin sa panalangin sa Amahan na ang mga ginagawa mo sa iyong kapwa na kabutihan ay isusukli niya sa iyo ang tanan, pagpapala at biyaya, ibubuhos niya sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa paggabay mo at pagkalinga at pagtulong niyo po sa amin. Talaga pong kailangan ka pa namin. Nawaya ang makita namin palagi, ang iyong ngiti, ang iyong saya lagi. Kasi sayang, ang ganda talaga ng mukha mo kasi para kang anghel. Ikaw ay isang biyaya ng Ama para sa amin. Sister Mylene, muli, happy birthday. Kantahan pa kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Mylene. Hi, Mai. Happy birthday. Father bless you more.
Happy birthday, Mylene, Inday. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Mylene.
Birthday. May the Father bless you more.
And more birthdays to come.
We love you.
And more birthdays to come.
We love you.
Happy birthday po, Ate Mylene. Father bless you po.
Hi, my happiest birthday. May the Almighty Father continue to use you more for His greater glory here in the KLC of Japan. Thank you for being a part of our spiritual journey. Father bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miley. Oh! Hey. Happy birthday. Hey, Miley. Yay! Oh! Patch. Yay! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Maylene. I love you. Bye.
Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty.
One, two, three. Oh, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Eileen. May the Father bless you more. We love you 100 times 2 for 2. Ate Mai, kahit saan ka man dalhin ng amahan, nandito lang kami kung kakamustahin mo kami. Mabaite! Mabaite! Ay, wait. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Gift na mo. Joke lang. Birthday, te. Happy birthday, te. Bye-bye, te. Bye na talaga, te. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ay, isa pa! Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Ah, tama na! Sabay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Ano kaya? Hindi ko lang mag-isa! Wala na. Bye-bye, te! Happy birthday!